Namaste friends. Today we are going to make the Bottlegourd curry in instant pot. The ingredients which we need are oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, curry leaf, green chillies, turmeric powder, bottle gourd, salt to taste, sugar, coconut milk, peanut powder and coriander leaves for garnishing. First, let us start the instant pot on saute mode. After 30 seconds, the IP will start. Now, put the oil in the liner pot till it is getting hot. Please check the description box below the video for written recipe. Now add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds in the oil. Let them splutter. Now add green chilies, curry leaves and diced bottle gourd. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my channel whenever I upload my new video. Let us mix the bottle gourd with oil. Now put turmeric powder, salt and sugar. Now add peanut powder and chopped coriander leaves. Mix it. Now add coconut milk. I am adding half cup coconut milk and half cup of water. You can add 1 cup of water or replace it with 1 cup of coconut milk. Now cover the lid and set the whistle to the sealing mode. Always check your whistle. Start the instant pot on manual mode and set the timer for 6 minutes. My curry is ready from 1 hour 8 minutes. You can open the lid after 7 to 8 minutes. Press the cancel button, open, put the whistle on venting mode and open the lid. Now the curry is ready. You can serve this curry with chapati, rice or have it like soup. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.